Warren Buffett is a source of inspiration for many investors around the world. His investment career started at the young age of 11 when he acquired his first stock. He has continued influencing and shaping the investing landscape, making him an exemplary role model. Hundreds of people worldwide have heard his incredible story and are encouraged to use it as an example for their own entrepreneurial journey. Whether you're an experienced investor or a beginner, his success is something to aspire to. If you want to be the next Warren Buffett, continue watching this video. Welcome back to Financial Flipside, where we help people with their personal finance and tackle everything about finance and financial literacy. We also share stories of successful people in the finance world to inspire everyone. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get alerted when new videos are posted. In this video, we will explore the life of Warren Buffett, aka the Oracle of Omaha, and uncover how he became one of the world's wealthiest and most respected businessmen. We will look into his investments and decisions that helped him succeed. In 1930, Warren Edward Buffett was born to parents Howard and Layla in Omaha, Nebraska. From a young age, Warren showed remarkable enthusiasm in all things related to finance and business. He was widely known for having an inborn mathematical talent that allowed him to do mental mathematics. This blessing would prove invaluable for his future success. It's said that he told his friend that if he weren't a millionaire by 30, he would jump from the tallest building in Omaha. When Warren was 11, he took the plunge and invested in 3 City Service preferred shares at $38 each. His decision paid off when he sold at $40, although he later regretted it after it went up to an astounding $200 a share. Warren fondly remembers his paperboy days as an early life lesson in the importance of patience with investments. Every morning at 4:30 a.m., he would deliver the Washington Post before school. On top of that, he also sold magazine subscriptions and calendars to his subscribers. At the tender age of 15, Warren had already made a tidy sum of $2,000, equivalent to approximately $26,000 in present-day money from delivering newspapers. He invested $1,200 of his earnings into a 40-acre farm with which he shared profits with an experienced Nebraska farmer. At 17, while in high school, Buffett partnered with a friend and bought a second-hand pinball machine for $25. This was installed in their local barbershop. Before long, they had multiple pinball machines placed in various barbershops around Omaha and were making around $25 per week from them. The business was eventually bought by a war veteran for $1,200. Warren earned his Bachelor of Science from the University of Nebraska and, soon after, applied to Harvard Business School. Despite being rejected, Warren was undeterred and decided to pursue a degree at Columbia Business School instead. This was because he had heard the renowned Benjamin Graham taught there, and therefore he enrolled in their economics program. After hard work and dedication, Warren graduated with a master's degree in 1951. In 1952, Warren Buffett relocated to Omaha and became a stockbroker. He also attended a Dale Carnegie public speaking course and used his skills by teaching night classes at the University of Nebraska. Subsequently, he moved with his family to New York in 1954, where he served as an apprentice under Benjamin Graham. Warren embraced various opportunities to fund his dream of attending business school. He bravely took on different jobs and invested the money wisely to achieve his long-term goal. Back in 1954, Warren took a job at his teacher and mentor Benjamin Graham's business firm. His compensation was $12,000 annually. roughly equivalent to $109,000 in today's dollars. Benjamin Graham retired, and his partnership was closed in 1956. Warren had built significant wealth, as his savings amounted to $174,000, approximately $1.5 million in modern currency. After having lived in multiple places, Warren finally chose to move back to his hometown of Omaha and purchased a house for $31,500. Although Warren Buffett was a millionaire, his frugal mindset made him reluctant to buy the expensive mansions that other millionaires owned. His career focused on being an investment salesman and a securities analyst, simplifying his lifestyle more than others in his wealth bracket. In 1956, Warren Buffett founded what is now famously known as the Buffett Partnership. This was a collaboration between him and his family and friends. To start the partnership, Warren requested that one of his partners, a doctor, get 10 other doctors to invest $10,000 each in the business. To this request, 11 doctors agreed, and some unique conditions were attached to it. Warren was determined to grow his stake in the partnership, so he invested $100 of personal funds at first and then reinvest management fees in the business. By the end of 1960, Buffett had invested in 7 partnerships and held a 9.5% stake in over $1 million worth of partnership assets. In 1962, Warren Buffett made a fortune through his business partnerships with a combined value of over $7 million, $1 million of which was attributed to Warren himself. Subsequently, he decided to bring all the partnerships together under a single entity. In 1962, Warren Buffett invested, now famously known as Berkshire Hathaway. This New England textile company began its journey in the 1830s and was going through a challenging phase when Buffett decided to purchase it. He anticipated potential profits from this acquisition. He felt that the primary reason for the company's problems was its inadequate management approach. So after a disagreement within management, he decided to invest heavily in the company to push for change. However, it continued to experience losses. Unfortunately, the old textile giant was going through a tough phase financially. The good times for the New England Textile Company ended in 1966, and Warren had to make some drastic changes to ensure the business didn't falter. His visionary decisions have helped shape the company into what it is today, a well-known giant. Finally recognizing the potential of Berkshire, Buffett decided to transition away from its original textile business towards investing in other companies. This shift benefited the firm, paving the way to becoming a successful holding company. 1967 was a tipping point in Berkshire Hathaway's history, as it was then that they had sufficient funds to buy 2 insurance companies. This strategic decision marked the beginning of their immense success and prosperity. Warren utilized the insurance company's copious cash flow to invest in more acquisitions. Berkshire Hathaway has now grown to embody more than 1,000 different companies, and all are managed within one portfolio with total assets of over $700 billion. In 1990, Warren Buffett made it to the billionaires list when Berkshire Hathaway commenced the sale of Class A shares. Warren is highly regarded for his philanthropy, particularly his generous donation to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. He granted them 185 million shares of Berkshire Hathaway, equivalent to a $28.3 billion market value. Warren Buffett has achieved remarkable success, earning an estimated net worth of over $84 billion. Despite his unassuming appearance, which could easily be mistaken for a regular grandfather, His intellect is extraordinary and widely accepted as a genius. Warren Buffett has become a household name due to his humble, sincere personality and witty charisma. Despite many considering him a legend, he simply identified what he wanted to achieve early on and stayed true to it through the years. Now that you know how Warren Buffett became a billionaire, what are you waiting for? Maybe you are the next Warren in the making, and you just need some financial tips and information. And this is what the channel is all about. So don't forget to like and share this video. Make sure to subscribe to Financial Flipside and hit the notification bell to get alerted when new videos are posted.